Working? Jesus, look at my hair. I need a haircut. Good morning, guys. Shocking. Very early, very early. Hopefully get some fish for you today. Same old spot, Eli. Just got a fish head. Hopefully. Shot the cast net, Zach did. All herring, mullet. Oh, I've got a couple of yabbies. Big ones. Throw them in there. Well, that worked straight away. What do you got, boy?
Oh, that's a big flatty.
Take your time. It's giving me troubles. Hook just fell out. Jesus, Zach.
Hook didn't fall out, it broke.
Oh no. There's lip grips and stuff in the bag, man. Keeps turning off by itself. As I was saying, that's a good fish, Zach.
Thank you. Oh my
God. Turtle. See how close I can get to him. Oh, fucking something just hit my foot. Hey, turtle. He's just chilling.